Hey! Full blast. Oh. Yeah.
There they come. Look, you guys, look to the south up there. See our riders coming, making their way.
Francis.
Here they come.
That
Once they got
Sam.
look, they made it on top of that hill.
CJ, Quentin, Beef Kia, John.
Encourage them.
Who else is that?
Oh, Drake.
Drake. No, but who's behind John?
Everyone's safe.
Beefy's got that white shirt, I think.
Okay, Beefy.
Oh, wait. Oh, is that? That one doesn't have a rider.
Oh, did he fall off? Oh, shoot. Right off the bat, somebody fell off. Oh, no, I wonder if that's John. He's a white horse.
Oh, look there, you guys.
Oh, slow down. Oh, slow down. Hey, slow down. Oh, he didn't make it. I told him. Slow down. Look at CJ's. Is this horse fit? Yeah. Let's go, boys! You got it! Okay, there. Oh, yeah.
Must have been John. It might have been John.
Yeah, it is John.
Yeah.
Oh, come on, Drakey!
Make sure everybody's okay.
Yeah, John's sitting over on the hillside there.
Oh, okay.
Francis. For now. Quentin, he might get it though. Come on, Q. Come on, boys. Hurry up, boys! Let's go! Look at CJ went out. Didn't even go through that thingy. I don't know if I accept that one.
Oh, he's celebrating real quick. Oh, shoot. Dang it, I missed it.
Okay, we got first, second, and third right there. Oh, he almost didn't make it. Okay, let's watch these guys come on. Hopefully John's alright. Oh, they're gonna go check on him. Okay. Sierra's dead.
Oh.
Okay. Come on, Beefy! Let's go, Drakey! Finish it!
Come on, Drakey, you got this! Let's go, Beefy! Come on,
No. Won't turn.
Woo! Get going! Tobias should have rode your illegal. Yeah. At least he got down the hill this time. Hey, beating his horse. He's tired. Go, Drakey!
Here comes this one.
Oh, he didn't even finish it. Oh, boy.